Hello guys, my name is Ruth Pratap Singh and in this video I am going to talk about the website, the WordPress website that I have just recently made. So this is a WordPress website. As you can see the URL, this is a local host website. Okay, so and this is not hosted on Google or internet. So this is the home page basically, and in home page I have used Android web development picture as I am an Android development. So that is the reason of using an Android development pick. And coming to about me section, my name is Ruth Pratap Singh and I am from BTech ECE branch. I am studying at VIT. I am an IoT enthusiast. I've made many projects on IoT that you can find on my blog website, that is Community of Coders. And I am recently also working on an Android development project that will be soon out on the Play Store. And if you want any help with my projects, you can check out my website. So this is the services section, like the services, whatever services you provide. Like for example, like I can help you with the IoT project. So you can provide a service like thing. Like if you want any kind of help, then you can contact me by giving your names and address, everything. So these are the services that you can give. Like it depends on you what kind of services you want to give. So here I've just written some basic detail like the random data. So you can write whatever you want, and this is the footer for my website. And in the footer, like you can see that this is the logo of my website and this is the basic idea what my website is. So like I have written here hello welcome, I put footer, as this is just an basic website, that's why I've just written dummy content. And these are my social icons like the the YouTube and the LinkedIn. And these are all the pages that are there on my website, like the home page, blogs page, education page, experience, project, or let's connect, which is basically a contact us page. And these are the details for contacting me, like my Gmail ID, my phone number, my address, or the fill in the form for like just a contact us form. And these email ID and phone numbers are not correct, you can see. And this is just a map thing that I've used. Like if you like you will be residing somewhere, you can use your location so that if anyone want to visit you, then they can. And now I'm going to blogs page, as most of the portfolio website nowadays do contain blogs whatever the person is writing. And all this, by the way, all this content is copied from Kotlin sorry, all this content is copied from Wikipedia, as this is just an basic website that I'm showing up. So all this content is copyrighted content. And this is these are the blogs that I have written here, like the 10 blogs. And on the right side, if you can see, these are the categories on which I am writing, like the blogs, coding, tech content, or the technology. And these are my recent posts that I did in last 2 to 5 days. And these are the latest comment that I've got on my blogs, whatever I've wrote. And these are the gallery. We can include gallery if we want. If you don't want, then we don't need it. Gallery contains all the pictures that we have used on our website. So it's just the thing. And here, like I've told you, that I've added some blocks, so that's why, like, I've added 10 blocks. That's why it's showing me to go to page number 2, because from settings I set that on one page only 5 blocks will be there. So that's why it's saying to go to page 2. So on the page 2 again it will be having 5 blocks. So this is all, and everything will be same as of the first one. So now I'm going to education section. And in the education section, it's telling like I am from VIT Electronics and Communication Engineering. I am from 2019 batch and I will be completing my BTech in 2023. I am in class 12th. I've studied from Woodbine Garden School. Like those here, higher secondary education, class 11 and 12, April 2017 to 2019. And below that, you can add licenses and certifications, where like I've just given a format, like in format. These are the certification or the license name, the issuer name, and the date on which it was issued, and what is the expiry date. And if there is no expiry date, then we can write is no expiry date. And we can add as many as certifications, but for example, I have shown only 6 here. We can add as many and what, and by clicking on this see credential button, it will take us to the to the website who has given us the certification or the license. But if currently if we try, this will not work because these buttons are dummy. Currently they are not connected with any link. Okay, so now coming to the experience page, this is the experience that I have. I have been IoT research intern at VIT and everything. Again, the credential button to verify whether the details are correct or not. These C credential button should be connected to the official website or the certificate, which shows that you have really worked on these things. And these are the experiences that I have. That's all. Now coming to the project section. Like for the demo thing, I've included 2 projects, and I did many. And this is my first project that I just recently completed, which is RFID based door locking system, which is a master key system. More details if you want to know, you can see my original blog website, which is communityofcoders.com. And this is the picture, like how the circuit and everything looks like. And these are the code. This one for is for code, and the GitHub file and the YouTube video link. You can also add the same things if you want. And this is the security system using ultrasonic sensor and laser. This is my second project that I've recently completed in previous month only. And again the same file, the GitHub code file, and the blog page that I've written on my website, and the YouTube video, sorry. And this is the Let's Connect page, which is basically a contact us page, you can say. So here you can see like the contact us details, like my address, my Gmail ID, my phone number. Again I am saying this is not correct, you can see. So no issues. And these are keep in touch social icons like Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, GitHub. All these are clickable, but as this is not, as this website is local hosted, so you will not be able to find any, so you will not be able to find this website on internet or anywhere. So if you want to connect me, you can connect me on LinkedIn. And this is the map thing that I've included, similar to that of footer. And this is the contact us page. We can, if you want to contact me, you can just fill your details, name, email ID, number, and everything, that whatever it's asking, you can click on the submit. And uh, the reason for this form on on a portfolio website is that if some company sees your website, sees your portfolio, and if they wanted to contact you, that's why it's very important to have a contact us page on your portfolio too. Because if they want to give you a job or something, so they will be able to contact you by filling this form. So you should have all these things, and you, when you click on the submit button, then the form will be submitted, and you will receive an email from WP Forms, which is a WordPress add-on feature. So this is just basically my website that I made. This is a very basic website, I know. We can make even better, but by seeing the time and duration, I was able to do this much only. I would have done better if I've got some more time. Yeah. So thank you so much. And if you have any doubt, you can comment down if you are watching in YouTube. Thank you.